If you've been locked out of your Capital One account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these simple steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Capital One website. Go to the official Capital One website using a web browser. Make sure you're on the correct site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Click on Forgot Username or Password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your information. You will be prompted to enter your personal information, such as your social security number and account number. Fill in the required fields accurately to verify your identity. Step 4. Follow the instructions. After submitting your information, follow the on-screen instructions. You may receive a verification code via email or text message that you will need to enter to proceed. Step 5. Create new credentials. Once your identity is verified, you will be able to create a new username and password. Choose credentials that are secure and memorable, and make sure to save them in a safe place. After completing these steps, you should be able to log back into your Capital One account successfully. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Capital One customer support for further assistance.